had Siddhant not helped me understand Anushka, I don't think that Anushka would have agreed to marry me.
Okay, shall we go inside now?
Ahaha.
Please come.
Come.
After Vedant, you must also be expecting that I should thank you. So, thank you, Siddhant, for sharing all our personal matters with Vedant. Without your help, how would I get a good boy like Vedant?
You must be very happy today, KK. And I cannot bear to see your happiness. Do you think that Sudhanshu Nanda will keep mum if you humiliate him like this?
So the engagement date is fixed, right? Ha ha ha. Thank you. I shall take your leave.
I'll call you later. Thank you once again, Siddhant. Thank you so much.
You are a very sensible boy, Siddhant. You know that I like Vedant. That is why you helped Vedant. Huh? KK is very happy.
Dad, are you really very happy?
Yes, you don't even need to ask. Huh?
So, in that case, you should give Siddhant a gift. By the way, Siddhant does everything for rewards, right? And I don't think Siddhant will be able to do a bigger task than this in life.
Aha. So tell me, what do you want?
I'll ask you when the right time is. I've got what I wanted.
You say this always, but you never ask for anything. You have taken a promise from me during Karthik's wedding too.
What's the point in waiting till tomorrow? I'll talk to him today itself. Sir, I want to ask you for something.
It is Karthik's wedding tomorrow. It is an auspicious day. You will get whatever you want.
Ask for it this time, Siddhant. I don't want to owe you at all.
Haha. Ah.
Yes, Mom?
Siddhant? What happened? You didn't come to pick up? We were waiting for you at the station.
Oh, were you all coming today? Sorry, Mom. I don't know how it slipped my mind. You wait there. I'll come right away.
No. There is no need to wait. We have reached home. Your brave sister was with me. She said that you must have got some work.
I don't know how I forgot. I should have come.
Siddhant, is everything all right? You sound quite upset, my dear.
Yes, Mom. I'm all right. I was busy with some work. That's why I'm angry with myself. That I forgot my mom and sister due to my work.
Are you sure? Is there any problem?
I'm sure, Mom. There's no other problem. You started questioning me as soon as you returned.
Okay, fine. Okay, listen, come home early in the evening.
Okay, Mom.
Is everything all right, Mom?
He's saying that I'm questioning him.
You are here?
I want to give you a good news.
Good news.
The laptop from which Goel and Sudhanshu's photos were mailed has been repaired recently. And I found the receipt for the repairs. So you may say, I have almost caught the culprit.
Very good. This is really a very good news.
But Siddhant, I'm wondering why that receipt was in your drawer. What was it doing there?
I think somebody is trying to frame me.
Somebody's trying to frame you. Or are you trying to fool all of us? And if that is the case, you need not frame me at least, because I'm ready to join hands with you. Got it? See you.
She has turned out way sharper than I assumed. What do you think, Siddhansana? Will she tell KK Reddy about this? I have to do something about Hira Sanyal.
Sir, Miss Hira wants to meet you.
Tell her that I'm busy now. Ask her to come home and meet me.
She said that it's urgent.
Ah? You didn't even wait for KK's consent, huh? Is it anything serious?
The idea of sending an email from an old laptop of Reddy Corporation was wrong. What do I do now?
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Well, I'm sure you gave Vedanta Orenda fish idea.
Congratulations! A new fish entered your life. and my old fish has died.
Died? But how?
You don't worry. This is the rule of life. When new things happen, old things cease to exist.
It seems that even you like fish.
What do you mean?
I mean, Siddhant, fish has been everything to him.
I know, Siddhant, how much you used to love your fishes. Even I am as sad as you are, Siddhant.
Dad, Siddhant is here.
What happened?
No one will go home tonight.
Why?
Sudhanshu has tipped off the enforcement directorate against us. We have information that ED will raid Reddy Corporation tomorrow.
Dad, I think we should talk to father-in-law. I mean, we should talk to Sudhanshu Nanda once. Many issues can be resolved through discussion.
Dad, brother, the time for discussion is past. We should prepare for the raid right now. If Miss Veera has this information, the raid will take place for sure.
100%. My information can never be wrong.
Now listen to me very carefully. I will not repeat this. Destroy all the official papers before midnight. No evidence should be left. One more thing. One of you might see some files tonight which you may have probably never seen before. Don't pay attention. Destroy them as well along with the old ones. Shrikant, ask the other employees to go home. Only the 6 of us will stay in the office tonight. Rao,
Yes, sir.
have you checked the shredding machine to see if it's working?
Yes, sir.
Hook it up.
This is my golden chance. I will get hold of any secret file for sure. I might find evidence against KK in those files.
Is everyone attending a men's party? Dad, Shrikant, Karthik, where are they all?
They are in the office. They have some important work. They will return late in the night, I guess.
Mr. Rao and Siddhant are there too.
Hey, by the way, I haven't spoken to Miss Gayatri for a long time. I think I should call her up after dinner.
You feel good after talking to her, right? Our family takes a lot of interest in the Sinhas, right? Even Anushka stayed back there with Purva the other day.
You must have brought me here.
Where else could have I taken you? Your condition was such that if anyone saw you,
I can be in trouble if mom calls up Gayatri aunt. She will tell her that I and Siddhant were all by ourselves.
I think I'm done eating. I better call her up from right here.
Mom, she must be asleep now.
So early? Yes. They usually go to bed early.
Yes, don't call her up and disturb now.
Yes.
Call her up by morning.
I think it's a good idea. I'll call her up tomorrow. All right.
What's going on between Riddhi and Anushka? Something seems fishy.
this is of no use to me. Neither is this.
Siddhant, my dear, we can't afford to waste time. Make it fast. We are short on time.
Rao, KK needs to go out for a while to get some fresh air.
Fine, sir.
He kills people and pretends to be a savior. He hurts people and pretends to console people. Oh Lord, his persona is lethal, yet he preaches peace to me. Why do you look so scared, KK? I told you, you can't hide the evidence of the crime.
KK is not scared of anything. I know that you are my imagination. It is KK's imagination.
You are right. Obviously, it would be your imagination because you killed your friend.
What else could I do? You did not leave any option for me. I told you several times not to investigate the airline crash, but you did not pay heed to my words. If you had come to know, then KK would have had to die. And so, KK had to kill you.
So you betrayed and killed your friend, KK. Right? So, are you happy now?
Somehow KK always finds his happiness. Or else I snatch it.
What do you mean? That doesn't answer my question. KK, are you happy or not? Or are you scared that you will be brought to justice?
Who the hell is going to judge KK? Who has the courage to do that? No one can harm KK at all.
It's good. Because I'm still your well-wisher. I'm still your friend, KK. You're meeting me after a long time. Won't you give me a hug? Come on, KK.
KK sir, what happened? What happened, KK sir? KK sir, what happened?
Is everything all right at home? Huh?
Yes sir, everything is fine at home. What happened here?
KK did not sleep properly at night. And hence, I am hallucinating. No one can ever harm KK. Never.
When did KK buy the gold mines? It's a very old receipt.
KK did such a heinous crime by blasting a plane with 200 people inside it. I am sure that he must have committed crimes even earlier.
The name and the address of the seller is also listed here.
Did you get scared in front of KK? You don't have to be scared at all. Till such time as I find evidence against you.
Dad, the people from ED are here.
KK, listen. I should get going now. It wouldn't be wise for us to be seen together.
Seal all 4 doors and make sure no one enters or leaves the building until the search is on, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Mr. Reddy, nothing was found during the search.
How would you find anything when I haven't done anything wrong?
Mr. Reddy, not finding anything doesn't mean there is nothing. The matter doesn't end here. In fact, I need to talk to you about the pharmaceutical deals, and you must come with me to the head office for that.
KK knows very well who has sent all of you here. I won't act now. Now listen carefully. Whatever you do it very carefully. Because you will be answerable later on, right? My daughter's engagement is round the corner, so this inquiry could cause problems for me. Please leave from here like the kind gentleman you are.
Sir, I have to take along someone.
I cannot come along even for a minute. I told you.
Vedant is really concerned about his image. I can't let Anushka's wedding be called off. But I've made this pharmaceutical deal. If you want to question anyone, then you may take me along.
What happened? Who are these people?
Relax. Everything's alright. Go inside and you'll know who they are.
You call this all right? So many people are around you. What did you do? Officer, I want to know what's happening.
We are taking him along for interrogation. And please do not interfere in these legal matters.
But why? Why are you taking Siddhant along? What he did?
What has he done? We'll find that out only after questioning him. Take him away. Come on.
Come on,
Move.
Wait! You can't just take him along. I will talk to Dad right away.
Don't interfere in this, please. It's my problem. I'll solve it myself. I just have one request. Do not tell Mom about this.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That Siddhant ruined my entire plan. He thinks he's too smart. Let me see how he gets out of this. He must not get out. Let him rot in jail for some days.
Phone.
Hello? Talk to ED's director at once. Tell him that KK will talk to him in person.
Dad, what's going on? Who are these people and why did they take Siddhant along?
They had come to arrest KK. Siddhant offered to go with them. He knows that there should be no problems in your engagement. And even Vedant worries about his image. But you don't worry at all. KK will get Siddhant released very soon.
Where is Siddhant? He has never done this before. He's been missing all night. What do I do?
Mom, I cannot get through to brother, and Mr. Sweetie isn't answering too.
You, Anushka, call up Anushka. Maybe she knows where he is.
She might have called me to check on Siddhant. What do I do now? Let me lie to her that he's accompanying Mr. Sweetie.
Hello, Anushka?
Give it to me. Give it to me. Hello? Yes, dear. Do you know where Siddhant is? He didn't return home yesterday. I thought you had a word with him. Was he supposed to go somewhere?
Well, Aunt.
Do me this only favor. Always try to guide Siddhant to the path of the righteousness. I hope this much you can do for me.
Anushka?
Yes, Aunt. I know where Siddhant is.
Where is he?
Well, Aunt, the ED team has. Well, he has been held for interrogation.
Inquiry? What wrong has he done?
No, Aunt, he hasn't been arrested. It's just a.
Arrest?
It's just a routine.
Did they arrest him?
What happened, Mom? Mom!
Siddhant,
He will come back. Don't you worry.
Arrested him. Arrest. Something is definitely.
No, Mom, he will return soon. Mom.
What have I done?
Mom, please have some water. Mom, brother is going to come back. Karthik says he's trying hard to set him free.
Aunt. Aunt, he did it for Dad. Don't question his actions. He didn't commit any crime. And even Dad is making sure that they release him soon. Well, there was a misunderstanding with the ED team, so they took away Siddhant. They didn't press charges against him.
Mom, Purva! It's you. Even you're here. Okay, nice. Now that you're here, Mom will cook something special for you. And I'll get to eat it too. Mom, I'm famished.
Brother, it's so good to have you here.
What do you mean? Where do you think I had gone? Regarding last night. Mom, Mr. Sweetie's wife had pain in her stomach. As you know him, he really cares for his wife. So I was actually accompanying him. That's why I didn't return home. What's wrong? Why are you all staring at me like that?
So, how is she doing now? How is Sweetie's wife?
She's much better, Mom. We took her to the hospital last night. She's fine now.
Aunt, I'll take a leave now.
She left without having food. I wonder what's wrong with her.
She still has shame left in her. The question is that, Siddhant, what's wrong with you? You think you are mature enough now? You have started to lie to me straight on my face.
Mom, I didn't want to trouble you. I thought you and Purva... Mom, it's nothing serious. It was a minor
Was
inquiry.
it really? Why did you lie if it was so? Don't you know your mother? Siddhant, I can endure biggest of the shocks, but I cannot endure it if my son lies to me. Don't forget that you are Prabhakar Sinha's son. He never committed a single dishonest act in his life. And let me tell you something. If you ever do anything wrong, then I won't forgive you.
Mom, I'll never give you a chance for complaint. I will never commit an act that will disgrace you.
Sit. I'll serve the breakfast.
I'm really sorry, Purva. Because of me, Aunt Gayatri is upset.
It's not your fault. Brother had told the lie. Instead, you should be proud of yourself that you had told her the truth.
Okay, I'll leave now.
Did you come home when Mom and I had gone to Allahabad?
No? Why do you think so?
Actually, I found this in the house. It's not mine, so I thought maybe it's yours.
Well, yes, it's mine. I might have forgotten it here before.
I thought of giving it to brother and he would give it to you. But it's good that you're here.
Thank you.
What happened, Anushka?
Purva, I want to tell you something.
What is it?
The other night when you and Aunt Gayatri went here, I had come here.
Oh, but why did you have to keep it a secret? Why did you lie about it? Wonderful, brother. You hid something so important from me?
Don't you get started now. Mom's already scolded me enough.
Of course, you deserved it. She did the right thing. And anyway, I wasn't talking about that.
So, what are you talking about then? What else did I do? What else have I concealed?
You tell me. For your information, let me tell you that Anushka has told me everything about what happened here the other day.
I love you, Siddhant. I love you a lot.
Did Anushka remember all that? What did she tell you?
Exactly what you are hiding.
What am I concealing? What would I conceal if there's nothing to hide? Anushka had drunk a bit too much alcohol, so I brought her home. She's about to get engaged, so it wouldn't be good if others were to find out, right? And after all, she is my old friend.
And where did she sleep?
Where would she sleep? She slept in your room.
But I found her brooch in your room.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.